Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of logging into your Old National Bank account quickly and securely. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions to access your online banking services effortlessly. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Navigate to the Old National Bank website. Type in the URL for Old National Bank, which is www.oldnational.com, and hit enter. This will take you to the bank's official homepage. Step 3. Locate the login section. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Select your account type. You'll see options to choose between different account types, such as personal or business. Select the appropriate option that corresponds to your account type. Step 5. Enter your user ID. In the login window, enter your user ID in the designated field. Ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any issues during the login process. Step 6. Input your password. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. Be careful to input the correct password, as it is case sensitive. Step 7. Click on the login button. After entering your user ID and password, click on the login button to access your account. Step 8. Enable Remember Me, optional. If you're using your personal device and want to skip entering your credentials each time, check the Remember Me option before clicking Login. Step 9. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have set up two-factor authentication, be prepared to enter the verification code that will be sent to your registered mobile number or email. Step 10. Access your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be redirected to your account dashboard where you can manage your banking transactions, check your balance, and access other banking services. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and banking tips.